Seagulls, often referred to as sea eagles, are fascinating creatures that belong to the family Lariidae. They are highly adaptable birds with a widespread distribution across the globe. In this essay, we will explore the various characteristics, behaviors, habitats, and importance of seagulls in the ecosystem. Seagulls are easily recognizable due to their white and gray plumage, sharp beaks, webbed feet, and piercing eyes. They have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from high altitudes. These birds possess a scavenger nature, often feeding on small fish, insects, crustaceans, and even garbage found near coastal regions. Their unique ability to swallow food whole or break it into smaller pieces helps them thrive in different environments and adapt to various food sources. Moreover, seagulls are highly social creatures. They usually nest in large colonies called galleries, where they engage in activities such as courtship displays, aggressive behaviors, and communal roosting. These behaviors help them establish social hierarchies and maintain their populations. Seagulls are also known for their loud, distinctive calls, which are used for communication within their colonies. Seagulls are primarily found near coastal regions, but they can also be seen near inland bodies of water. They build their nests on cliffs, rocky shorelines, and even man-made structures such as piers and rooftops. These nesting sites provide protection from predators and access to their main food sources. Seagulls are excellent flyers, and they can effortlessly glide through the air, utilizing wind currents to conserve energy during long flights. Aside from their unique characteristics and behaviors, seagulls play a vital role in the ecosystem. As scavengers, they act as efficient janitors by consuming dead organisms and waste, preventing the spread of diseases and maintaining a clean coastal environment. Seagulls also contribute to nutrient cycling by excreting waste, which enriches soil and supports the growth of plants. In addition, they serve as indicators of environmental health, as changes in their populations and behaviors can reflect ecological imbalances or pollution levels. However, seagulls also face challenges in their coexistence with humans. Their adaptability and scavenger nature often bring them into conflict with people, particularly in urban areas. They may exploit human activities, such as scavenging through garbage or stealing food, which can lead to negative interactions. In many coastal regions, efforts are made to manage seagulls' populations and minimize potential conflicts while still respecting their ecological importance. In conclusion, seagulls are remarkable creatures with unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitats. Their adaptability, social nature, and important role in the ecosystem make them an interesting study subject. While they may occasionally come into conflict with humans, it's crucial to maintain a balance that allows seagulls to thrive while respecting human needs and environmental conservation. Understanding and appreciating these intelligent birds can lead to coexistence strategies that conserve their populations and ensure their continued place in our coastal ecosystems. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and support us. Thanks for watching.